Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses here. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified whenever I post a new video by pressing the bell notification. But if you're old, thank you so much for joining me once again. It's always a pleasure to have you. Anyway, so I wanted to just come on here and then do a very quick demo of how I use my hair growth oil, since I had a lot of questions asking me how I use it exactly. So this is how my hair growth oil is. It's my applicator bottle. Most of the people who bought my oil know that it comes in an applicator bottle, pre-made. I'll try and insert a picture of one of the applicator bottles that it comes in, depending on the size you buy. Okay, so you can use the oil to oil your scalp every night or every other day. So you can either do it in the morning or in the evening, or even both, depending on how your scalp can handle the oil. But if you don't want to be too greasy, you can do it every other day. So if you do it on Monday, the next time you have to do it is Wednesday or Friday, in that order. That way your hair, your scalp doesn't get too greasy. So you can use this to just oil your scalp to promote healthy hair growth. And to show you how exactly I oil my scalp and massage it, I actually have a video on that. So I'll be linking that in the description box down below. So you can check that out to see how exactly I massage my scalp to promote healthy hair. Another way that you can use a growth oil is by doing hot oil treatment. So a hot oil treatment is basically you just slightly warm up the oil, you apply it all over your scalp and your hair, you thoroughly massage it in, you really get in there, really massage it for about 5 minutes, and then you can cover your hair and then wait for another 30 minutes, and after the 30 minutes you can wash it out, or you can leave it overnight and then wash it out the next day. If your hair is not too greasy, you can keep it in until your next wash day. That's one way to do a hot oil treatment. It helps to promote moisture, boost moisture in your hair strands, and also promote the shine of your hair. I currently don't have any oil in my hair, but as you can see, my hair is super shiny. It's super strong. So that's one way to use this growth oil. Another method by which you can use the growth oil is by using for your deep conditioning treatments. So when you're coming to do your regular deep conditions, that's if you're doing it once every week or twice every week. So let's just say you have your conditioner that you want to use, right? You can add 2 tablespoons of this. That's roughly about, let's say, 20 drops of this, or you can just slightly pour it in and then mix it to your own desired consistency, and then you can apply that all over your hair strands, including your scalp. Always make sure you massage it in so you can reap all the benefits of the growth oil. So you thoroughly massage it into your hair. You let that sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, even 2 hours if you're not using any form of external heat. But if you're using some form of external heat, you can wash it out after 15 to 30 minutes. But if you're not using any external heat and you're using your own body heat, you can wait for as long as 4 hours, depending on how much time you have. Then you can go about your regular wash day routine. You wash it, you shampoo it, you condition it, you style it, however you do your hair. You can just go ahead and do exactly that. Another method by which you can use the growth oil is to moisturize and seal. So I actually have a detailed video about how I moisturize and seal my hair up on my channel, which will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. It goes in depth as to how I use my growth oil to seal my hair, especially my ends, to keep them from looking raggedy and breaking off and dying, so that you can have very thick, healthy ends. Yes, you can use this to moisturize and seal. Another way by which you can use this is as a mist, as a hair mist. So for your regular hair mist, if you have, let's say, braids in your hair at the moment, you can for your hair mist, you can maybe pour a part of water to a part of leave-in conditioner and add a few drops of the hair growth oil in there. You give it a very good shake and you can spray your braids with it every day. It's a very nice refresher to your hair, and it strengthens it and then locks in the moisture that you get from your hair mist. You can also use it to moisturize and seal your braids while they're under your wig, or even as it is in the regular braid form. So let me know if that has been very helpful to you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also leave me your comments. I'm always glad to see your comments in the comment section, and I'll always be willing to answer them. So as always, it's been a pleasure. See you in my next video. Bye.